Hello friends, myself Ravi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is class binding and how we can implement class binding. So without getting late, let's get started. So the Angular class binding is used to add or remove classes to and from the HTML element. You can add CSS classes conditionally to an element, hence creating a dynamically styled element. In summary, the class binding is used to manipulate the styling of an HTML element. The Angular provides the three ways to manipulate classes to and from the element. The first one is class name property, the second one is class shorthand, and another is ngClass directive. Now let's go to our VS Code and see how we can implement the class binding. Let's go to app.component.css and let's define three classes. One, give text blue color. Let's define the property color blue. Another, define text red class, add one property color and it's red color. Again, define one more class with text italic name, define one property font style italic. Now let's go to our HTML, create one h3 tag, name it right click education. Now the first way to apply the styling is by adding class attribute and name the CSS class that you have defined in CSS file. Let's name it as text blue. Let's go to our HTML and see. So if you see, this text is in blue color. Again go to VS Code, create one more h3 tag, type the same text. Now we will bind the property class. Okay, class equals to. Now let's go to app.component.ts and create one property that is blue text equals to text blue, which is the class of CSS file. Now let's bind this blue text to the class property into the HTML file. Let's add blue text. Let's go to our Chrome. You can see this is also in the blue color. Now let's try to add this both property class and this class to one h3 tag. Okay, so let me make one change. Let me change it to italic text, and in the app.component.ts make it italic text, and also bind it to the class text italic. Okay, go to HTML. Now let's create one S3 tag. Add this right click education text to this S3. Add this class text blue, and also add this property class. So according to this, the text should be blue and italic. Now let's go to our UI and see. So now if you see, this text is italic and blue. Let's use ngClass to manipulate the styling. Let's again create one more S3 tag. Let's add text. Now we will go to our app.component.ts and we will create one variable myClass equals to, and add three classes to this, which is let's say text blue, text red, and text italic. So text blue, let's say its value as false. Then again text red, and make its value as true. True. Add text italic, false, right? Now let's bind this myClass to the ngClass property in the HTML. Let's add property ngClass equals to myClass. Let's go to our UI, and if you see, this text is red because if you go to the app.component.ts, you can see only property red is set to be true. Now if I make this text italic as true, and let's see, it's red and italic. So in this way you can use the class attribute and ngClass to manipulate the styling of your HTML DOM. That's all for this video. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, please comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.